Hey guys, let's finish my look today. Walang kulang ko na lang sa look ko now is yung lips ko. So let's try this JMCY 3-in-1 lipstick. So it has matte finish on this side and glossy coating on the other end. So here how it looks, guys. Chun and chun. Okay, let's try this. Alright. Wow. Wow. I'm using shade NR01. Super ganda. It's so creamy. Oh my god. You know what I really love when I'm using matte finish is yung hindi siya drying. So this product, Chef's Kiss, feels like you're not wearing anything at all because it's so lightweight. So this product is also waterproof, transfer-proof, and kiss-proof. Okay, transfer test. On the other side. Okay, for kiss test. And last, guys, water test. Product really stays after that test. Impressive. Okay, let's try the gloss. Wow. It's shining. Hindi nag-transfer yung matte lipstick sa applicator, so it's a good thing. Super ganda. The best combo ever. So good. For me, this is so suited for 3-in-1 lipstick. It's so high-end but very affordable. Kaya kung ako sa inyo guys, click my yellow basket, mag-check out na kayo. Okay guys, I'm gonna go out now. Bye!